Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use structured properly, step by step. This is for people who like the idea of planning their day visually, but feel like it either becomes messy, too rigid, or hard to maintain. I'll show you how structured day planning is meant to work, how to add tasks, how to assign time blocks, how the daily timeline fits together, and the planning mindset that makes the system actually usable day after day. I'm going to log into Structured Web. So let's start with structured day planning and what it actually is. Structured planning is about giving your day a clear shape before it starts. Instead of working from an endless task list, you're working from a visual timeline. In structured, your day is broken into time blocks. Each block represents focused attention on a single task or category of work. The important thing to understand is this. Structured planning is not about controlling your entire day minute by minute. It's about reducing decision fatigue. When you know what you're working on and roughly when, you spend less energy deciding and more energy doing. If you try to plan a perfect day, this system will fail. If you plan a realistic day, it works extremely well. Now let's add some tasks. I'll go to Inbox and I click there. Let's say email customer. A good task in structured answers one question. What am I actually doing? Instead of, for example, work on project, use draft proposal. It's important to note that you have to add all tasks first without worrying about time. This step is about clearing your head, not building the schedule yet. If something feels vague or too big, break it down now. Structured works best when tasks feel finishable. Now we assign some time blocks. My draft proposal. Time, I'll do it at 1 p.m. till 1:15 p.m. and on today. Fantastic. You'll notice there, it's been added to my day. Also important to note, when you add tasks, leave proper time blocks in between. Those gaps are intentional. They absorb interruptions, meetings, low energy moments, and reality. Your schedule should look slightly underbooked, not impressive. The timeline is a guide for attention, not a promise you must keep no matter what. Once tasks are placed, you can see your full daily timeline. This is the biggest benefit of structured. You don't have to ask, what should I work on next? The timeline already answers that for you. As the day moves forward, you interact with your plan. You complete tasks, you move blocks, you adjust when things run long. If something doesn't get done, you simply just move it. You don't scrap your entire plan. The timeline supports momentum instead of punishing deviation. The long-term success of structured planning depends on how you think about it. So, plan lightly, expect change, review daily. A good habit is a short end-of-day review. What worked, what felt rushed, what didn't need to be scheduled. That feedback improves tomorrow's plan. Structured planning isn't about discipline, it's about awareness. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. In LemTask, the goal is similar, but the structure is simpler. Instead of managing a full visual timeline, the focus is on clear daily priorities, a single execution list, minimal friction during the day. You still plan your work, but you're not maintaining a calendar constantly. This works well for people who like structured, but don't want to think in time blocks all day long. Structured planning works when it stays flexible and realistic. If you treat it as a guide instead of a rulebook, it becomes incredibly effective. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.